So starting as an undergrad at UCF, I took some classes in three-dimensional design, and what we did there was we made representational, abstract, non-representational, three-dimensional projects out of paper materials using a Bosslaser machine. We would do client work as well for companies like Disney, Universal Studios, Guitar Center. I remember watching students see their projects come to life in front of them inside the machine, and just seeing like that kind of awe-inspiring moment of like, wow, this is turning into something real. So having had so much experience on the machines and sort of wanting to make things for my own, I decided it was time to get my own machine. I decided to purchase a Bosslaser 1630 with a 70 watt and also a roller as well, so if I need to work on a cylindrical object to do some kind of engraving. Since having it, I've been able to create work for many different clients and be able to pursue my artistic career. So this is a project that I made in my undergrad at UCF. This is kind of an abstract sculpture focusing on architecture, and you can make things that are kinetic with the laser cutter as well. So I think a really strong feature about the Bosslaser machines are the pass-throughs on the side. So I was approached by a customer who had an incredibly long piece of wood that he wanted engraved for his house. And this thing obviously wouldn't fit in my machine, but with the pass-throughs, I was able to fit it in one side and fit it out the other, and I got the job done. Being able to watch a file that I've worked for hours on manifest itself in front of your eyes is something really incredible.